Yes, YouTube. Um, Last trade today. Last trade yesterday as well, which is quite difficult, but it is what it is. So it's weird though because I feel actually really confident and like I guess it's just the way it goes. But basically talking through this trade, we're coming quite high. There's the overall draw and liquidity, but it's so far away. I figured we got time to do what we got to do. Price did come down, take these lows, but I thought it's such a like news wick candle that I just thought we're probably gonna come back down to that, and also we didn't strongly invert coming back up. So actually, this wick was my target. Um, Again, maybe not the strongest target. I don't know, but I logged on at here, seeing all this accumulation. We went above it, swooped below it. And I kind of wanted to take this trade, but um, I just thought, you know what, play it safe. I'll use it as the bias instead. But I did think I don't know whether that's the target or that's the target. So I had that drawn out, and I was kind of hoping for a pullback before we hit that target. But yeah, we've basically come back up, and I still had that kind of this area that I wanted to see the initial pullback before we hit that target. So when we came back to it, I was still kind of hung up on that as an idea. And yeah, unfortunately, well, price gave me a kind of option to get in, and I just jumped in super early. Kind of went above this accumulation, went above it, swooped down, nice momentum down, put my stuff above there, and yeah, literally within a minute I was back out. The trade lost. Um, these 1 minute entries always are a little bit more risky. Like they're kind of jumping the gun a little bit. If you look deeper into it, we actually didn't even like kind of close inside of this range either. Like I would have loved to have had a gap kind of like here, or I don't know, maybe I should have took this 3 minute gap, or I don't know what went wrong about it. Maybe look, I might have been right. This is like kind of moving in my direction as well now. Anyway, I had this kind of I had this high locked, saying that it was protected, which still looks like it might be, but just the difficult part is that it um it left me a tiny gap, and I just decided to take it. And in hindsight, maybe I should have just waited. Um, but the problem is, there's just no other gaps. Like even if I had waited and I was trying to take this now, there's just no other gaps. But on the other side of the coin, I don't think I would take something like this now because we've inverted everything back up. So I guess the two things that kind of were against me was that we already kind of took the easy low hanging fruit target, and the second one was that the 1 minute gap was just too small and a bit insignificant. But good trading. I kind of was patient, and I guess just unfortunate. I'm very close to losing this account. I'm gonna have to scale size down again, but I really don't want to lose it because this is phase two. So